and the first train running through my station on a complete loop of the track. It's always good when you can get your layout working. Hopefully you can get it working without any flaws. I've got a couple to sort out, bit of gauging, and I think I've got a dodgy connection at one point in the track, but other than that I seem to have a working railway. It's always nice. Yeah, I had to put quite a bit of work into clearing the track. It's still not 100% clear. There's a bit of ballast still stuck in the way, so that will be moved. I'm just going to show you a few videos of my 2 trains running, so hope you enjoy.